How to return item to Newegg. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To return an item to Newegg, you want to first open up your Newegg account on the app or the web browser on newegg.com. Either ways, make sure you're logged into your account that you made the purchase from. Now, once you have made sure of that, all you got to do is you want to head into your order history. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you can see here order history. Tap on it and you'll be able to find the order. Now, if you have already got and if it has been shipped, you should be getting here under the all option here. So you want to tap on that particular order and head into that order page. Once you choose the order, you want to select the return option and choose either a refund or replacement if it is eligible. Then upon submission, you will receive an RMA number and instructions. You want to pack the item securely with all the original packaging, manuals and accessories to avoid rejection. Print the prepaid shipping label provided by Newegg and attach it to the box. If you cannot print it, use the QR code provided in the email at a UPS location. Now also remember, returns must be received by Newegg within 14 days of the label creation. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.